If this doesn't change, you restart your money every single month. If you earn every month but nothing builds, this is why. Most people don't fail to save money. They follow a system that was never designed to work. Your money isn't the problem. Your timing is. These 8 rules are not tips. They are a system. What you are doing now relies on memory. This system runs automatically. This is how you go from saving nothing to building your first 100,000. I call this the money control system, and it puts your money under control before it's spent. It has 3 parts: control, restriction, and automation. If one of this is missing, the system breaks. If you're new here, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned legacy builder. I break down money systems so your salary actually turns into property. Let me show you why. Rule 1. Allocate before payday. If your money arrives without instructions, it will be spent recklessly. Your money doesn't disappear, it gets reassigned without your permission. Before payday, decide your percentages: savings, bills, spending. If 20k hits your account with no plan, within days, it's already been allocated, just not by you. Debit orders, groceries, small swipes, it all starts pulling immediately. This is why you feel like you earn, but nothing stays. You think it's overspending, but it's actually a structure problem. Money without direction gets spent. Quick one. Do you decide where your money goes before payday or after? Comment before or after. Once your money has no direction, your lifestyle takes control. Rule 2. Cap your lifestyle. Lifestyle expands faster than income. Cap it at 30% or it will cap your future. If 50% of your income goes to lifestyle, you have already lost your ability to build wealth. You get paid, your car goes off, rent goes off, and before you even think about saving, your money is already committed. This is why your income goes up, but your savings don't. You upgrade comfort instead of increasing control. You don't go broke from one big decision. You go broke from comfortable upgrades. If this is hitting you, hit like so more people see this. And once lifestyle take control, you try to track it. Rule 3. Pre-limit spending. Wealthy systems don't track spending, they restrict it. Set a fixed weekly cap, not monthly. Most South Africans budget monthly but spend weekly. If you budget 10k monthly but spend 2.5 weekly, you've already broken your plan by week 3. This is why your budget looks right, but your account doesn't. That's where control breaks. If it's available, it will be used. I break this exact structure down in my Money Master PDF. Link in description. Rule 4. Limit options. Every extra decision increases failure risk. Most people don't run out of money. They run out of decisions. By week 2, you are tired. You order takeout. You swipe without thinking. That's when your system breaks. This is why your system works at the start of the month and breaks halfway through. This changes everything. So, automate your structure so you don't rely on willpower. The more your system depends on you, the more it will fail. When I fixed this, that's when my money started compounding. And this is where everything breaks. Most of you don't have a saving problem. You've just never seen your money before it disappears. It's gone before you even realize it. Be honest, you don't have a money problem, you have a broken system. So here is how you fix it. Rule 5, automate everything. Consistency is not a personality trait, it's a system design. You don't fail because you lack discipline. You fail because your system requires it. If savings depends on you remembering every month, you will miss it. Guaranteed. Same way debit orders always go through, but your savings doesn't. This is why bills get paid, but your future doesn't. Automate your transfer before your bills touch your money. Because if it's manual, it's optional. Share this with someone who always says, I will start next month. Now that your system runs automatically, Rule 6, increase savings rate. Your savings rate decides your future, not your income. 2 people can earn the same and end up in completely different lives. If you earn 20k and saves 5%, that's 1,000 rand. At 20%, that's 4,000. That's a 3k difference every month. That's the difference between staying stuck and building a property deposit. This is why your income increases, but your wealth doesn't. Let me show you why this matters. Fix your percentage first. More income won't fix a broken system. Watch the simple budget system that actually works. I break this down properly. But even if you've saved correctly, you can still lose it. Rule 7, reduce access. Money you can see is money you will use. Access drives behavior. If your savings sits one tap away, it is not saving, it's delayed spending. You don't lose money in big moments. You lose money in small decisions you don't even remember making. You tell yourself it's just 200, then 500, then suddenly your savings are gone. You move it out, then move it back for small things. It happens all the time. This is why you save and then reset. Here's the fix. Move savings to a separate bank with no card access. Distance creates discipline. Be honest, how many times have you moved money back? Comment guilty. And this is what ties everything together. Rule 8, build a system. Motivation fades, systems don't. If your system depends on how you feel, it will fail. You don't feel motivated every month, but your expenses still happen. Rent does not wait. Debit orders don't wait. Your system shouldn't either. This is why you start strong and fall off later. This is the difference. Set your structure once and repeat it monthly. Good systems make failure difficult. This is how you stop restarting and start building. Or nothing changes for the next 5 years. If you want help building your system properly, WhatsApp system and I'll set you up. You don't need better discipline. You need a system that works even when you don't. This is how you stop restarting and start building something real. Or you find yourself still sitting here in the next 5 years. If you want to go from savings to property, that's what I teach here. Next, watch how to turn this into your first property deposit. That's where this really compounds. Subscribe if you are serious about building real wealth. Be a legacy builder.